Hey guys, welcome to my channel. They will be working on this BMW. This is like a third part. Let's see if we can fix all the issues. Let's get started. So it looks like I might be replacing this because it has a crack right there. A few cracks on this thing. I also took this apart. I took that apart. There was a few screws, which is right here. Of these ones. Took this apart, that. Then take that apart to these little brackets, metal brackets. And these screws, they were located right here. The screws are located right in there. And those brackets, they go inside here. I pulled out these brackets, and then after that I pull these out. Just a pull on them, twist and pull, and I test them. It looks like they open and close, and it sprays. So I checked every single one. There's 6 of them, fuel injectors. So it doesn't look like I need to replace those because I checked them. They seem to work. To take this out, there's like a pin. Take those out. You just pull this way, and then pull it out. There's like 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put that out of the way because I wanted to get it to the fuel injectors to clean them. I cleaned them. They seem fine. I might check the lines, hoses. I'll try to replace this. I got myself a new one. And it's in the box right here. That's the one. Brand new one. Now I'll double check everything else. Hopefully nothing else going on. I did clean those fuel injectors. I pulled them out, test them, cleaned them. Seems like they're spraying. Not sure if there was any there or not, but we'll find out once I install it and try to start it. Hopefully that and this and then see if I find anything else that will help my car to run better. I disconnect some connectors here. Now I'm working myself to get this out. I took some bolts out. All here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bolts, I believe. I mean nuts. And then this thing moves, but still there should be one more underneath. So I need to take this out. I took 4 bolts out like that from the intake. And this is coming out now. Now this is out, and there should be a nut or a bolt underneath here holding this. So I removed the intake manifold, and I found another problem. The connector with the hose was ripped right here. So this piece right here was ripped. It was barely hanging. So that could have been causing the issues too. And it goes to there, right there. So that's another issue I found. So I noticed a few hoses were ripped. Or not ripped, but they're deteriorating. So I'm going to be replacing them with new ones. So I replaced these hoses right here, and this one, that one, and this one. Also I replaced this hose right here. Since I'm at it, I'm replacing the one I see kind of cracked or really cracked. Also I bought one of these, and that goes right here. I'm replacing that one as well. So there's quite a bit of hoses that needs to be replaced. While I'm here, I'm checking all the rest, see if I need to replace anything else, and I'll be putting this back. I replaced the intake manifold gaskets, put newer ones. Since I already took it off, might as well put new ones in, and I'll be starting putting it together. So follow me along, and let's hope this car will run good. So the way I put this in, this hose, I used this kind of tool, just any. I put it here against the block, and I slowly push that thing in. There, right there. So it went in. Be careful so you don't break anything. Unless if you know any easier way to put this in. I didn't know, so I had to use this against it, and it worked. I installed this. Took some time. I think I plugged everything in. The intake, all the hoses and plug-ins, screws. So I'll screw in the injectors, plug it in, and then we'll go from there and then try to start it up. Hopefully that fixed it. So I put everything back together except this panel. I'll put that a little bit later. I want to try how it runs. Like I said, I installed this already. Looks like plugged everything in. I'm gonna double check right now. Fuel injectors, screw those in, plug them in. And suggestion for people that are working on BMWs that are older, doesn't have to be similar year, but older, it's best to check all the hoses, because a lot of them were cracked and I had to replace them. Like one that was going through here, down. I don't know if it was cracked, but I replaced it. It was kind of in bad shape. And that one, secondary. This one right here, I replaced some on the bottom. And this replaced, that replaced. This had big hole. So what I got is, so these are the hoses. There might have been more that I threw away. So I would recommend replacing if you have a chance. If you already took some stuff off. Also replace this. This one was cracked. I'm not sure how bad this one is, but I replaced it because it has some cracks right there. I don't know if you can see it. And there's some more. And also the other one as well was bad. So that's what I replaced. And this one was bad too, really bad. So let's check it out, see how it starts. So let's start up. It's the first time I'm gonna start it up. Seems like it's running better, but still, I'm not sure if it's 100%, but it does seem running better. It seems like it's running better. Maybe I need to just warm it up a little and run it for a while. I'll keep you guys updated. This will be it for this episode. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll show you more what else I did to this car. This looks like some lights are on. ABS and traction. But it seems like it's more stable. I'm not sure why it's at 1000 RPM. If you know, comment below. But I'll be putting more time into it. But it does run a lot better, it seems like, than it used to, by replacing all those cracked hoses and fixing some issues. But yeah, I'll be working more on it, so stay tuned for the next episode, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.